Nico, DJ, Roger,
Court number 2,
Brian, Denise,
court number 1,
Ate Denise,
court number 1, Alfred, Sandy, Paul, and Mia. Last call, Paulo, Ed, Edward, and Darren. Court number 3, Paulo, Ed, Edward, and Darren. Court number 1, Alfred, Sandy, Paul, and Mia.
lahat po ng Southside, nakacheck na po ba dito? Salamat. Mag-ready na po. Dahil marami po po kayo naman, simula.
Dad! Long time no see! Namiss kita! Hello, Southside Pinoy players.
we're inviting you for a very quick photo of dito po sa photo. Photo one. Group photo po tayo, everyone. Guys, wala po kayo narinig mga Mars? Photo po tayo, congrats everyone. Sige po, Fatima. Nima, Inay, everyone. Southside Pickle Club players, please, photo. Go po. So welcome to the first SSBC Upa versus Team Vivian Open Day, organized by Tito Budol. So sige po, Compers. Boy, Ika. Who else? Hindi po kayo dito. Okay, hindi po kay Alex. Kita lahat, red. Kita lahat, pag si Alex. Boy, come here. Okay, thank you so much. So we have free pancit, kakanin, soft drinks, tubig for everyone. Courtesy by Ate Pia, Mom, Batani, Bikan, 50 cent. Ngayon, may amanda na. Sabi mo kanina, sagot mo lahat. Then lumabas ang totoo. Naamdaman pala yun. So may mga solda and everything. Again, the matches will be generated automatically. Wala po kung palakasan or whatever. I-generate natin siya dito kaso hindi nga malagi. So we're going to start na. May available naman na court. Court 2 is available for the first match. Starting now. Go. So we are playing until late tonight. Hanggang hindi tayo pinapalabas ng guard, maglalaro tayo. So we have 3 courts. For court number 2, Poseidon, okay, court 2, Dustin and Reese versus Luis and Alexander. Dustin and Reese versus Luis and Alexander. Court 2, please. And don't forget to report your wins dito kung sino po nanalo. Pakireport po kay Nima at sa akin. Once again, court number 2, it's Dustin and Reese versus Luis and Alexander. Court 2 now, please. Where's Ate Reese? Natawag na po yung pangalan mo 4 times. Court 2 po. Ganun ang gusto niya attitude ka sa stock kung ano. Patuloy ka nag-i-stock. Ay, Ate Jels, diba? Talagang nasali ka ngayon, hindi ka po substitute.